Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, my third graders. Hopefully that you are doing great, whoever, whenever, wherever you are. Today we are going to study lesson 2 at your grammar book. It speaks about types of sentences. Last session, we discussed what are sentences or what is a sentence, and we said that the sentence is a group of words, okay? A group of words, as you can see here, that tells me a whole idea or a complete idea, okay? It gives me a complete idea. Number 2, the sentence must start with capital letter. Any one of them, any type of sentences. It's a question, it's a command, whatever is the sentence, it must start with a capital letter. Number 3, the sentence ends with a punctuation mark like period if it is a sentence or command, okay, or a question mark if it's a question, or exclamation mark if it's a sentence which expresses a strong feeling, okay, so it will be ended in an exclamation mark, okay. As you can see here, this sentence started with capital letter and ended with period. At the same time, it gives me a complete idea that Sam is in the sack. Sack, it's a word like a bag, okay? I know who is in the bag, it's Sam. So it's a complete thought. At the same time, it started with capital letter and ended with period, okay? Now I'm gonna share another file with you from your book. You will find it page 36, 37, okay? You can open your book and follow me at your book. As you can see here, now, lesson 2, statements and questions, okay? From their name, a statement, it states or tells you something, okay? Like if I'm gonna say, my name is Ahmed, so it's a statement. Why? Because I'm telling you about my name. I'm giving you information. But if I'm going to ask you, what's your name? It's a question. Why it's a question? Because I'm asking you about something. Okay? So if we are going to say, what does a statement do? It tells something to you. Again, what does a statement do? It tells something to you. Okay? Period at the end when you write a statement, period at the end when you start a statement. If I'm going to write a statement, I should put a period at the end, okay? Like, I will give you an A, so put period, okay? Here, we'll start at your book page 36. Every sentence begin with capital letter. As I mentioned 1 minute back, that any sentence must start with capital letter. There are 4 kinds of sentences. You have to know this. How many kinds? 4. Okay. We'll start with the first 2, statement and question. If we have a sentence tells me, this is the main word here. It tells me something, a statement, so, and end this with a period, this is a statement. Okay, this is a statement. Like, if I'm going to say, Manaf runs every morning. Okay, or Abdul Majid runs every morning. So here, Tyler runs every morning. It's a sentence, a statement, sentence. How did you know? Because number 1, it tells me something. Number 2, it gives me a complete thought. It starts with capital letter and ends with period. A sentence, the other one, ask, not tells, asks me, okay? Something is a question. Is what? A question. Like I'm asking you, what's your name? What's your favorite subject? What's your favorite food? How old are you? All those are sentences. Can you help me? And so on. Those are sentences. Okay? Sorry, those are questions sentence. Like here, how does how far does Taylor run? Okay, it starts in capital letter, as you can see here. At the same time, ends in a question mark. Okay, then can he run a mile? Also, I'm asking if he has the ability to run for 1 mile. It's a question. I'm asking you for something. Good. So those two examples are questions. Now let's try it out here. Number one, Megan, okay, is my neighbor. It's a statement. One of you will ask why it's a statement. Because it gives me a complete thought. It starts in capital letter, ends in period. At the same time, it tells me something. It tells me who is your neighbor. Okay. Number two, what is her best sport? What is her best sport? This is a question. It's what? A question. Why it's a question? He's asking here about her favorite sport, best sport. Number three, it's softball. It's softball. As you can see here from this picture, okay, it's a softball. So here, it's a statement. Why it's a statement? Because he's telling me about here this sport. It's softball. Number four, she can play with us. It's a statement. Why? He's telling you, and he's telling you about Megan that she can play with us. Also, number five, can she pitch? Pitch means throw. Can she pitch? It's a question because he's asking here if she can or not. Okay. Number six, Megan can catch. She can what? Catch. Here it's a statement. Why it's a statement? Because he's telling us that she can do something. He's not asking. He's not asking. Okay. Now, as we finish the page 36, we're gonna go to page 37, and you will do it on your own. Also, you can stop the video and copy the answers. Already, this sheet is answered. You can copy it at your main book. Thanks for watching.